Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to make a digital hourglass. I use Arduino for the processor. You can use Arduino Pro Mini and Nano. To program the Arduino, I connect it to a USB TTL module and connect the module to the laptop. Open the file that I placed for you and upload the code to the module with the Arduino IDE software. Select the module of the version of Arduino you are using from the Tools section and then Board. Then, in the Port section, select the port that the Arduino is connected to. In addition, the code and libraries used in this project and the schematics are in the file that I provided for you. Connect the code of the parts to the Arduino to check that it is healthy, and as you can see, the code and the board work correctly. Well, now I separate the jumper wires and solder them to the flat wire pieces. I use printed parts for the box and the appearance of device. I connected the Arduino to USB and rotated the displays to place them correctly and in order. this is the hourglass test that we made and it works properly. Thank you for watching the video so far. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Because by doing this you give me energy and introduce me to your friends. Bye until another video.